Yeah, it's a rocker, remember?
How did you get it?
You gotta rock it in.
Sounds like you got it for sure.
Yeah, I did.
Alright, safety's on. It was.
Making me shoot this thing.
Jesus.
308.
Holy shit.
This is your first doing 308?
Maybe you might need to step back a little bit, just so that the percussion is in that spot. I don't know. It's definitely powerful. Sorry guys. They're jumping. It's powerful. That's a lot of percussion.
I think coming back was worse. I think it's better.
Okay.
I might wait till that guy stops. I'm not doing
You still want a frickin' whatever they are. I don't even remember the name of them. I'd rather have an M14 if you ask me. I don't think anybody's attacking you after that.
It's crazy they wanted to do that full auto.
Yeah, and they wanted that thing full auto. Friggin', what are they? AR-15s? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to think of.
No, I was just making sure that didn't have a puncture bottom, you know? I didn't know what happened. Wow. Yeah.
How many did you shoot?
He shot 9. I shot like 5.
That was a good shot. Good group. Holy shit. Especially under pressure.
I want to try. 6 or 7. I don't know. I want to try next. Oh.
Go for it.
You shot 8. No, because I didn't load 10. I don't know. I shot something.
Hey, is this... Get the slide back. Okay. Lock it. Keep a little back, I think. Yeah.
Nope. There we go.
I just thought there might be a wind in there.
Yeah, like you were saying, they'll watch your fingers. Well, nothing. Is this your first time shooting 308?
I've shot bigger before, but...
It just felt like you were jumping more at it.
Well, it's because it's indoors.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of percussion. Definitely step out.
Because of the percussion in here.
Yeah, it was way worse when I took a step back.
Fire in the hole.
We got a grenade. What? Is it the same place to release? Or pull it back?
Yeah, just pull it back.
We had to do that ceremoniously. We're like...
Fire in the hole.
Don't say that.
Well, I'm just letting them know. We're going to shoot.
Not bad.
Empty mag.
It's dusty.
Wait, how many more rounds do we have?
I only shot 6 there.
So we have a box?
Yeah, we have 40. Yeah, I shot 7 or 8, I think.
Holy cow.
Huh, I seem to be swaying with my shots. I only got 1 on the center. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's not that bad, actually.
How many did you load?
I only shot 6. It's not that bad. The rifle.
It's just the percussion.
It's not bad. The kick, it's not that bad. Oh no, the kick wasn't a problem at all. It's crazy they wanted to do that full auto. That's the part that it's kind of like...
That's why they have this thing.
Sure, it's all jumping.
It's kind of impossible not to. Okay, let's try this. Freaking... Okay. Going Low left, I guess. Oh. Yeah, I almost got it. Oh wow, yeah, that's not even that bad. Ooh, got some freaking powder in my mouth, that one.
Yeah, no, I was getting in my.
Swaying right now.
Are you able to help with training? Okay. Okay, no worries. Yeah, I had asked him, but I didn't know if he was someone.
I'll just go remind it.
Appreciate it, thank you.
Oh, oh shit.
It feels more back here than it does holding it.
Yeah, that's for sure. That's sick though. Oh yeah.
If you want to just save the last 40 bucks or something.
Huh. I think we should just blow through them, that way we can move on to the next one.
Yeah.
But that one, I was just so tired. I couldn't even hold it.
We've been here for 11 minutes.
And I just really tried on the last two or whatever.
Still happy I made it center on the first one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I think I only loaded 6. Yeah, that shoots really nice.
It's really almost dead center.
This one definitely feels heavier than the one I held yesterday. The other one that was like out to here. It's a little shorter.
Might be a 14 to 16 inch type thing.
Yeah. It felt way lighter than this.
Sorry for holding you guys up.
Oh, that's okay.
Wild.
No worries.
Alrighty, so.
God damn, I'm dropping shit.
There's a light too.
I don't need
Yeah.
the light.
I think it's great.
Anything someone told me.
I don't think you can miss from that distance.
Yeah, so.
Thank you.
I was like, you look a little.
Thank you.
I think it might have been better if they didn't put us against the wall.
So both. I want them the same size.
Yeah, it's very dusty.
Yeah.
Ain't it?
So the reason that's important is that if I have my thumbs crossed, this is going to come back and potentially cut my finger.
You know, I think part of the issue is that they have us right on the wall too. So like if we were
Yeah,
out
oh
in the
yeah,
middle,
the percussion's going right away,
First-time
yeah,
shooters
for
are a
sure.
normal thing.
My hair was
See this
ringing a
all the
little bit
time
on
where
it.
stuff
Do you want to
goes
stop and not ruin your
You're
time?
like, hey, do you have a Band-Aid or hey, can I get some stitches and stuff? And I have to cater to that.
So I did
I'm happy to do.
So toxic smelling over there.
Both
Huh.
thumbs,
So I did
primary
7 shots?
thumbs.
Yeah.
So I did 4 really calm ones, and then at the end I tried to do bah, bah, bah. You should
Okay,
try it.
yeah.
It's pretty fun to do.
Do
I don't know if we want to keep ruining
It's a
your ears or
little
not.
different because we
Well,
have
I'm done shooting that. That's my last
this
shot.
part,
Whatever.
you know,
Yeah, a lot of my footage
cycle
ended up
next
sucking
one, fourth.
for my own.
And then once you're
Like
out of
I don't know, the camera was all over the
place.
place. I don't know.
This is my ceremonial right then, because like everything's so familiar, but in such a different way. Like even racking it, it's like you hold it ceremoniously, and the way you rack it is you go like this, and then
Yeah.
you let it go, and then you.
You would never do
and then
that.
You would do the 21 gun
Yeah.
salute. So you would do that, and then you go like this.
Imagine doing it in this spot.
I'm aiming for the top right.
Top right. Man. You want to try getting me? Just so make sure it's, yeah, it's going. But just make sure you're kind of pointing down.
What? I'm shooting to the right, it seems, but my grouping is still very good. Let's see. Did I make all 5?
Yeah, good grouping, but you're...
Okay, it's going to the right. I don't know if that's because I'm swaying or there might be something off the sight.
Well, mine was dead center, it looks like.
Yeah, so it might be because I'm swaying.
But the one in the middle, which I think was also your...
That was mine, so I think I'm swaying.
Hmm.
It's a little hard to tell because the laser sight is kind of, it's more of not a dot for me, it's a line.
Well, that shouldn't affect the left and right. That's weird.
Yeah,
Still, it's a good group.
It's good grouping, but I missed one. Technically, it'd probably be like there.
Just talking about it. Good
We
shot.
only got 3.
Only got what?
3 left.
Plus whatever. You can shoot the rest.
7.
I think we're good.
Yeah. 3/8's cool and all, but not my rifle.
It's so loud.
I mean,
For a semi-auto.
Oh, keep those on. I'm gonna tell you why.
Should have got some better earmuffs.
dude, you need to get one of these.
You're holding it like this.
Yeah, how much are those?
I think I only paid like 20 to 40. They're really nice, you know, they're electronic, I can hear everything.
Just like that. So the one thing I want you to remember, both thumbs on the same side.
Watch those fingers. And the thumb.